Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily log into your Apple Music account even when you're using an Android phone. So let's head over to Play Store, and from here, just look for Apple Music, then install this application. Let's open the app, and from here, we can already see sign in. So from here, you can now easily sign in to your Apple account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily sign in to your Apple account even when you use your Android phone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!